So this was actually the largest papillary RCC to date. We took over 100 patients with papillary RCC, gave them a drug called Savolitinib. Savolitinib is a specific MET-only inhibitor, MET tyrosine kinase inhibitor, and has a safety profile that is pretty well acceptable. And why a MET inhibitor in papillary RCC? Now there is data. There is data from several sources, including the TCGA, that there's a subgroup of patients with papillary RCC, this rare really tumor. This is just a small subset of renal cell cancer. All what we talked about renal cell and the trial with IO drug are in clear cell. But papillary RCC is the second most common, still very rare, and we don't understand the biology. But again, few years ago now, we understand a subset of them do harbor alteration in the MET gene. MET mutation, MET amplification, and others, maybe around 30 to 40%, 50%, and these patients are sensitive to MET inhibitor. There was prior studies and there's a preclinical evidence. So we treated all of the patients with Savolitinib with metastatic, previously treated or untreated patient with papillary RCC. Now the response rate was low in the total cohort, 8%, but the responders were, the only responders were the ones that had MET alteration. If you have MET alteration, response rate close to 20%. If you don't, 0%. The progression-free survival, totally significant. The tumor shrinkage, also significant if you have MET alteration. And so hopefully in the future, we will have a study, or at least we interrogate this drug that is well tolerated, doesn't have the VEGF inhibitors toxicity, but in a population that have MET alterations.